Outdoor games. The games which we play outside the house are known as outdoor games. Some of the outdoor games are treasure hunt. In this game, players have to find different items, which are hidden with the help of the clues given by a referee or other players. Hide and seek. In this game, all the players have to hide behind or under different places, and one of the players have to come and find the others. Soccer. Soccer is very famous outdoor games. It is played in two teams, and each team will have maximum of 11 players. The team which scores more goals wins the game. Hockey. Hockey is the national sports of India. Just like soccer, this game is also played in two teams, and the team which scores more goal with the help of hockey stick wins the game. Tennis. Tennis is played by 2 or 4 players at a time. It is either played solo or in team of 2 people. Hopscotch. Hopscotch is a traditional game in which many players can play at a time. In this game, player tosses small object in the numbered rectangles and jump through spaces. Satolia. Satolia is a traditional Indian game. It is played in 2 teams, in which 7 stones are gathered to make a pyramid, and one team have to break the pyramid by using ball. Flying disc. In this game, players have to throw a frisbee and another player have to catch the disc. Marble game. In this game, small marbles are placed in a circle drawn on the surface and players have to hit these marbles from some distance. Those who take out more number of marbles from the circle. Skydiving. Skydiving is a sports game in which a person have to jump from the airplane along with the parachute. The person have to perform different acrobatic stunts in the air. Cricket. Cricket is a very famous sports game in India. It is played in teams, where each team have maximum of 11 players. The team which scores more run wins the game. Boules. Boule is the French name for ball. This game is played in different styles, where a player have to roll a ball or throw it at different objects. Croquet. Croquet can be played by 2, 4 or 6 players. In this game, the players have to hit the ball through 6 hoops in correct sequence. Rollers. Rollers game is played by 2 players, or in 2 teams. In this game, the player have to roll the wooden rollers and try to reach close to the target. Ladder toss. In this game, a player have to throw the bowls into the ladder. The steps of the ladder have different points. Person scoring the highest points wins the game. Round net. Round net is played by 4 players or in 3 to 4 teams. In this game, a player have to hit the ball and bounce it on the net trampoline. The game continues till the opponent misses to hit the ball and gives away a point. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a traditional game which is famous across different countries of Asia. It is played in 2 teams, each consisting of 7 players. Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is a traditional game of India. In this game, a player have to hit the gilli and flung it in the air and again hit it with the help of a danda. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a team game in which each team consists of 7 players. One team have to sit in opposite sides to each other and try to catch the player of opposite team easier. Polo. Polo is an outdoor sports game in which players have to play in 2 teams. Each player rides on the horse and try to take the polo ball towards the goal with the help of a stick. Basketball. Basketball is a famous sports game of United States. It is played in a team with 5 players on each side. Team which scores most points wins the game. Volleyball. In this sports, 2 teams having 6 players on each side have to score a point by trying to ground the ball on opposition's side. Running. In this sports game, players have to run through a given distance. The player who reaches first at the end line wins the game. Tug of war. Tug of war game can be played in teams as well as by 2 players, each on opposite side. In this game, players have to pull the rope and try to make the opposition cross the line. Sack race. Sack race is very famous game among kids. In this game, players have to get into the sack or jute bag and reach the end line. Those who reach the end line first wins the game. Baseball. Baseball is a team game, which is played with the help of bat and ball. Each team consists of 9 players and the team which scores more wins the game. Ring toss game. In this game, players have to try and put the rings in the goalposts kept at some distance and score points. Player who scores highest point wins the game. Badminton. Badminton is played by 2 players, or it can also be played in teams consisting of 2 players in each side. The players have to win the game by hitting the shuttle with the help of racket, and score the point by grounding the shuttle in the opposition side.